What's going on, everyone? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I want to share with you how you can blow up your faceless channel fast, following the strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And I have used these same tricks time and time again to be able to blow up many of my channels, and also some of my clients' channels as well, right? So make sure you pay close attention to this video, because most of the so-called gurus, they don't share with you this secret that I'm going to be sharing with you, right? So let's get started, right? So I've got my drawing board here, right? So pay close attention. So when we actually start up our channel, most of the time people actually focus on YouTube search, right, to be able to rank up on the search, and then after that they can get other traffic sources to open up. For example, search, then they go to browse feature, then after that they go to suggested features, right? So, and in here you have to find low or very low competition keywords to be able to rank up, right? Because YouTube search is the easiest way to get traction, especially in the beginning stages of your channel. And that's how most of the channels actually starts blowing up, right, through YouTube search. But if you're looking for like other ways how you can also be blowing up your channel, make sure you pay close attention to what I'm going to be sharing with you now, right? So most of the time people, they just focus on search traffic, but here's another way that you can blow up your channel fast, right? So for example, this is your channel, right? So instead of you looking at search traffic, you can just jump up and go to what we call is browse traffic, right? Browse traffic. And in here, that's where the magic happens, through the browse features, right? And how you can actually do that really, really fast is using something called community post, right? But you're not going to be doing community post on your channel, right? You're not going to be doing that, because that's going to take a lot of time. And plus, on your channel, there's no actual traffic on your channel in the beginning stage, right? So what you can actually do is reach out to other channels that's actually in your niche, especially in the beginning stage. And they actually, for example, your channel is about make money online channels, so you need to go out there and look for other bigger channels who are actually doing that same niche which you want to get into, and just to jump up and get in the browse features really, really fast, right? You need to search for those channels and then reach out to those channels and ask for how much they're charging to do community post on their own channel. Like for example, I'll just show you perfect example. This is my channel, so they will actually drop your video in here, right? This is called a community tab that you're gonna be using on their channel. And pretty much what actually works is they normally just share like a picture, and on the picture they'll just share their link, right? So, and this is like the very fast way for you to get traction very, very fast on your channel doing this strategy, right? Now here's another thing how you can actually blow up your channel really, really fast, right? So for example, once you start doing that promotion tabs, promotions through the other channels, right? Here's the magic will happen after that, right? So this is your channel, and your channel will start to get into the browse features now, right? This is the browse features. And after you have gone in the browse feature, it's the perfect time for you start another channel, start a second channel in the same niche, right? Or similar kind of niche. And in here, because most of your traffic is already on your channel now, so we have to utilize this channel for us to blow up multiple of our channel, right? We can start 2, 3, 4 different channels. Like for example, your channel is about, as an example, it's a motivation channel, you're gonna start another channel in personal development, right? You're gonna start another channel in relationship, right? You're gonna start another channel in for example, similar sort of niche, right? So men's health, right? Because your main thing you have at the moment is traffic. So how can we actually utilize the traffic and make the most out of the traffic, right? So the way we actually gonna do that is using this channel as our traffic channel now, because this already has traffic. Now it's all about distributing this traffic and building this money making machine in here, right? So this channel will actually feed off all your other channels in the same niche, right? And I really love doing that. And it actually took me a long time to actually understand how this actually works, right? And the way you actually do that, be able to build up multiple channels at the same time, is, for example, this is your traffic channel, right? How we can actually set it up is on the home tab, we can actually put playlists from our channels on the main YouTube home tab, right? So for example, I'll go to customize channel. On the customization, right, I will add section, and for example, let's, as an example, like this is Ed Marlet's channel, right? So and he's got like different playlist. So let's say, for as an example, this is your another of your channel. What I'll do, I'll copy this and I'll put that on my home tab, right? So I'll put that at single playlist and I'll do any, and now you'll see that Ed Marlet is on my channel, right? So I'm gonna be doing that for multiple of my channels, right? I'm going to put that on the home tab, right? So that way it actually appears right in the top, right? So I'll put that right on the top. And also what you can do, you can also be putting your channel link in here. So I'll go to like featured channels, right? Ed as an example, and his channel, I'll actually copy the link, right?
Finding your identity.
I'll copy the link and then I'll go to my channel, right? So you can see here, I'll copy that and I'll continue done. So his channel actually appeared here, right? And every video that you're gonna, let me show you how it actually looks like. Because traffic is the most important thing on YouTube. Once you have the traffic, then it's all about distributing the traffic to different channels that you have in the same sort of niche, right? So you can see his entire playlist actually appeared on my channel now, right? And people can actually go and subscribe to his channel, right? So I'll delete that for now. And every time you actually upload a video on your other channels, you can just come on here and then share that video through that community tab. Okay, you can do you can do like quizzes, text poll, image, and you can share videos, right? So this is a very easy way for you to get views, especially when you're actually starting up. It's good to get traffic from other channels, bigger channels who is actually in the same niche, and it wouldn't hurt to pay those channels a bit of money, because you know in the long run, once you have the traffic, that's when you can actually utilize the traffic and send the traffic to different channels, right? And that's how you can actually blow up multiple of your channels at the same time, right? And I'd share like 1 or 2 videos every day. But make sure on your main traffic channel you uploading videos as well, right? So that way the traffic will come to your channel, and they'll also be going to the channels that you shared on your homepage, right? Right in here. And what else you can also be doing is, I'll go to customize, like for example, you're uploading a video, right? You're uploading a video. That video I will be, like for example, I'll continue, and on your end screen, like on your traffic channel, what I can also do, I'll go to end screen. Right in here you can actually change this and put any other videos from YouTube as well, right? Any videos, but this video actually will go to my other of my channel, right? So when the viewer comes in here, they can actually go to be watching the other videos through your main traffic channel, right? It's gonna be a very easy way for you to be getting a lot of views. Also on your comment section, description section, you can put the channel's link in here, and also pin your comment to the other videos on your other channels, right? So that's how we're actually going to be utilizing the traffic in the most better way, right? It's no point just sending people to our just one channel, and we're not actually building any asset, right? The more views and the more eyeballs we have on our videos, the better views we're gonna get, the more money we're going to be making, right? So in the long run, so that's how I was able to like build multiple channels at the same time using the same sort of tricks that I just shared with you now. So again, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you are new to YouTube automation, there's gonna be a video just popping on the screen right now, so make sure you click and watch it, and it's sharing with you how I was able to build up a YouTube channel to about 6 figures per year income. So again, thank you so much. My God bless you all, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now.